that you already have a decision that you have made. You are just coming to God to say, okay, so see, I have made so and so decision. I'm just coming to inform you. No. You want to commit it into the hand of God. Why? So that He can order your steps in the way that you should go, because He knows the end from the beginning. So that if there be anything that He needs to mitigate, or that He needs to reroute you through, because you have committed it in His hands, so that He can author and finish it. But if you are the author of it and you only come to let Him see it, you're just informing Him, He didn't author it, so you can't expect Him to finish it. He's the author and finisher of our faith. He's the one who began it, and He's the one who has finished it. So if you don't trust Him enough, if you don't demonstrate before your kids that before any decision is taken in your life, you want to take it to the one who knows the end from the beginning. The Bible says there is a way that seemeth right to man, but the end thereof is destruction. You see, if He knew that at the end of His journey, that way that He has picked is destruction, He would have made a different route. Like Lot lifted up his eyes and he saw ahead of him a lush garden that looked something close to the Garden of Eden. But look at how his destiny ended. He was destroyed eventually. So let's not try to go ahead of God, but rather let us follow in His footsteps. The Lord is my shepherd, He leads me. Meaning He's the one who is authoring my journey. He's the one who is authoring my actions. He's the one who is authoring my decisions. He's the one who is authoring my life. That is why I cannot want. That's why I cannot be stranded. That is why I cannot be confused. That is why clarity is mine, because He is the one who is leading me. He can't be confused. If He can't be confused, I cannot be confused. He knows when I should rest. He knows where I should rest. He knows how I should rest. So He's leading me and I'm following, because I have committed my way into His hands to order my life. Let our children witness you living this life of committing everything first before you make any kind of decision. Okay? That is trust. You are building trust, you are building faith towards God.